Hi there, welcome back again. So in today's video we have this question: 3a square root of a is equals to 24 and 4b square root of b is equals to 8, and we have to solve for the fourth root of a multiplied by b cubed. Now first of all, we have our first equation: 3a square root of a is equals to 24. So we are going to try getting the value of a from here. So the first step we're going to take is dividing through by 3. So when we divide through by 3, we have our a square root of a is equals to 24 divided by 3 is going to give us 8. So we have our a square root of a is equals to 8. Now the next step we're taking is to square both sides to get rid of the square root, that is the square root a. So this is going to give us a square. Then when the square root is cancelled, we have multiplied by a is equals to, then when you square 8 you have 64. So you have a square multiplied by a is equals to 64. Now on the left hand side, using the laws of indices, we have that our a square multiplied by a is equals to a raised to the power of 3. So we have our a raised to the power of 3 is equals to 64. Now to solve for a, we have to take the cube roots of both sides in order to cancel our 3. Or we can actually say we can raise both sides to the power of 1 all over 3. So with that, we have our a is equals to 4. Now on the second equation, because we are going to try solving for b, we have 4b square root of b is equals to 8. Now just as the other side, we are going to divide through by 4. So this is going to give us 4 square root of b is equals to 8 divided by 4 is going to give us 2. Now the next step we're taking again is just to square both sides in order to get rid of the square root. So this is going to give us b square multiplied by b is equals to 4, which is 2 raised to the power of 2. So just like the other one, using the laws of indices, we have our b square multiplied by b is equals to b raised to the power of 3. So we have b raised to the power of 3 is equals to 4. Now back to the question. The question says we should solve for the fourth root of a multiplied by b cubed. So when we finally substitute, we have our fourth root. That is when we substitute our a is equals to 4 and our b cubed is equals to 4. So we have the fourth root of 4 multiplied by 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So the fourth root of 16 is equals to 2. So our final answer is equals to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.